Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews. Today, we have something truly special for you, the 2025 Mercedes Brabus G800. This beast takes the iconic G-Wagon to an entirely new level, combining extreme power, luxury, and an aggressive design that demands attention. If you're a fan of high-performance SUVs, then stick around because we're about to dive deep into everything you need to know about the Brabus G800. Let's start with the exterior. The standard Mercedes-AMG G63 is already an imposing SUV, but Brabus has turned it into a road-dominating monster. The first thing you'll notice is the aggressive body kit with carbon fiber elements. The widened fenders give it an even more muscular stance, and the massive air intakes on the front bumper hint at the powerhouse lurking under the hood. The signature Brabus grille replaces the Mercedes logo with the bold Brabus emblem, and the front end is further enhanced with LED light bars mounted on the roof. Moving to the side profile, the Brabus G800 sits on massive 24-inch forged wheels, giving it an intimidating road presence. The blacked-out window trims and side exhaust pipes further enhance the sporty appeal. Brabus has also fine-tuned the aerodynamics with a new rear spoiler and diffuser, ensuring this SUV doesn't just look fast, it actually is. Now, let's talk about performance, which is where this SUV truly shines. Under the hood, the Brabus G800 houses a heavily tuned 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. This powerhouse produces a staggering 800 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque, making it one of the most powerful SUVs in the world. With this insane power output, the Brabus G800 can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.8 seconds. That's mind-blowing for a vehicle of this size and weight. The top speed is electronically limited to 240 km/h, but trust me, with this much power, you'll feel like you're flying on the road. Brabus has also worked on the suspension to ensure that the G800 offers a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. The adaptive dampers allow you to switch between different driving modes, giving you complete control over how you want the SUV to feel. Whether you're cruising on city streets or pushing it to the limits on the highway, the G800 delivers an exhilarating driving experience. Stepping inside, the interior is just as breathtaking as the exterior. Brabus has completely reworked the cabin with premium materials, custom leather upholstery, and carbon fiber trims. Every detail screams luxury and exclusivity. The seats are more supportive and comfortable, featuring Brabus embroidery and contrast stitching. The ambient lighting system lets you customize the atmosphere inside, making every drive feel special. The dashboard retains the signature G-Class layout but with additional Brabus touches. The digital instrument cluster and infotainment system have been customized with unique graphics, and the steering wheel has been upgraded with high-quality leather and carbon fiber. The attention to detail is incredible, from the aluminum pedals to the branded floor mats. It's clear that Brabus has gone the extra mile to make this SUV feel special. Technology-wise, the Brabus G800 comes loaded with all the modern features you'd expect from a high-end luxury SUV. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. The premium sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, perfect for enjoying your favorite music while cruising in style. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, making it as practical as it is powerful. Driving the Brabus G800 is an experience like no other. The moment you press the start button, the V8 engine roars to life with an aggressive exhaust note that lets everyone know you mean business. The acceleration is brutal, pushing you back into your seat as you unleash the full 800 horsepower. The handling is surprisingly agile for such a large SUV, thanks to the upgraded suspension and performance tires. The steering is precise, and the braking system is top-notch, ensuring that all this power is kept under control. Now, let's talk about exclusivity and pricing. Brabus vehicles are not just about performance, they are also about individuality. Every Brabus G800 is built to order, meaning customers can customize almost every aspect of the SUV to match their preferences. From unique paint finishes to bespoke interior materials, the level of personalization is unmatched. As for the price, well, exclusivity comes at a cost. The Brabus G800 is significantly more expensive than the standard AMG G63, with a starting price well over $400,000, depending on the customization options. While it may not be within reach for everyone, for those who can afford it, this SUV is a statement of power, luxury, and exclusivity. So, is the 2025 Brabus G800 worth it? If you're looking for the ultimate high-performance luxury SUV, then absolutely. It combines jaw-dropping looks, mind-blowing power, and an ultra-luxurious interior, making it one of the most desirable SUVs on the market. It's not just a vehicle, it's an experience, a status symbol, and a true engineering masterpiece. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Mercedes Brabus G800. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Reviewpedia for more in-depth car reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Brabus G800. Would you choose this over other high-performance SUVs? See you in the next video.